Hi everyone and welcome. I hope you enjoyed this upload today. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. It's a reminder of what was an important line of business in town. 3 fishermen as models, and artists are chosen because of their expressive faces. The figures represent 3 generations. Oh yeah, that's quite detailed. What's the first word on the 3rd line of the board? Eh? Down there. Those over there, feed them.
Yeah. In the bar, cafeteria, not in that area, it sounds like on the road, yeah.
I can have a look, see if there's still over there. Eh?
Unreal.
So in this section here, as you can see, it was extremely windy, so I've cut the sound out on a couple of these little clips here. So what we're looking at is lots of sculptures on this road here on the seafront. Some quite unique ones. All very different, but all have a meaning of some sort. I quite like that one. So they're all used out of recycled materials. And I'll just let the rest play out now as the wind did finally subside. Stingrays. Stingray! Stingray! Another street art. This one's the turtle. Used machine parts and car parts for it. You see the bike parts. There's a disc there, look. See, Jasmine? Discs and cogs, look. Plates. That's what it's made out of. All machine parts. And then up here we have the whale. Big whale. And we have the lighthouse. and the street.
Hi everyone, please remember to subscribe to the channel and check out our Facebook and Instagram pages. Also, please consider joining the channel as I do share extra content and this only costs 99 pence a month.